It is absolutely racist and un-American.
Democratic lawmakers and presidential candidates furiously condemned a tweet by Donald Trump targeting progressive legislators, calling it outright racist and xenophobic. The president told the Democratic congresswoman, "Go back and help fix the totally broken and crime-infested places from which they came." He didn't name names, but appeared to be referring to first-time representatives Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, Rashida Tlaib, Ayanna Pressley, and Ilhan Omar. Pressley was born in Chicago. Tlaib was born in Detroit. Ocasio-Cortez was born in New York, just like Trump. Ilhan Omar was born in Somalia, and her family fled as refugees to the U.S. when she was a teenager.
It is an old trope, go back to where you came from, that, you might hear it on the street, but you should never hear that from the President of the United States.
Good morning.
Democratic House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, who has at times clashed with the more progressive members of her caucus, leapt to their defense, tweeting, "I reject Donald Trump's xenophobic comments meant to divide our nation." The four women targeted by the president made clear that people of color recognize this particular slur. "This is what racism looks like," tweeted Pressley. "Keep talking. You'll be out of the White House soon," tweeted Tlaib. Omar told Trump, quote, "You are stoking white nationalism because you are angry that people like us are serving in Congress and fighting against your hate-filled agenda." Ocasio-Cortez blasted Trump, writing, "You are angry because you can't conceive of an America that includes us. You rely on a frightened America for your plunder." Some Republicans came to the president's defense Monday.
I don't think that the president's intent in any way is racist. I think he's trying to point out the fact that since elected, it's hard to find anything Ilhan Omar said that actually is supportive of the United States of America.
On Monday, Trump doubled down, insisting on Twitter that the congresswoman owed him an apology.